28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a good start. Okay, you got a deadbolt wide off the right-hand turn. Wide off the right-hand turn. Okay, there's a deadbolt out there. Pitman, let them know. Getting close to the weeds now. Last lap. There's your first place. Okay. Second place gold? No, Joe Roman. Okay, bring the boats in. Here's what we got. We got Rob Matthews did not finish. Cody Holland, 400 points. Joe Wilnow, 300 points. Colton, 225. And Rob Schultz, 169. All right, boat's going in the water.
1 minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
Got a 6-boat heat here today.
1 minute to mill time.
6 boats. We got one in the Thule's over
45
here.
seconds to mill time. Seconds to mill time.
All right, we got a deadboat. Where's it at, guys?
15 seconds to mill time.
I think it's running. I see it running.
Seven, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a good start, good start. Got the orange boat in first, Robert second, Chris in third. One down. Coming up on a slow boat here.
2 down. Whoa, he saves it. Three down. Chris is back on pipe. Bubba's pulling away. Now Robert's got the power on. Got 4 down. Last lap, Bubba. Last lap, Robert. 3 down for Chris. Ooh, Chris is flying it out there. Here's a finish for Bubba. First place. Second place, Robert. Third place, Chris. Cut the course, bring it in. Chris, come on. Okay, the folks that did not finish, did they start or just not finish? No finish, no starts?